Welcome dear student. In the course name Determinant of Quality Life, topic under the lifestyle diseases, subtopic is adolescence and mental health. Content of this module is concept of mental health and disorder, adolescent mental health, why and how, anxiety, role of stakeholders, government and non-government organization resources, and final tips and takeaway. Learning outcomes. At the end of this module, student will be able to analyze the mental health disorder, distinguish the sleep pattern and problematic internet use, evaluate the impact of role of counselor, apply to remove anxiety to regain good mental health, reflect on role of stakeholders. Health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity as definition led by World Health Organization and discussed earlier in the modules. Health is a resource for everyday life, not the objective of living. Determinants of health are individuals' backgrounds, lifestyle, economic status, social conditions, and spirituality, etc. Mental health is a state of well-being in which the individual realized his her own abilities, can cope with the normal stresses of life, can work productively and fruitfully, and is able to make a contribution to his her community. It is not just the absence of mental illness as defined by World Health Organization. Mental health includes an individual's ability to enjoy life and create a balance between the activities and effort to achieve psychological resilience. Mental disorders are defined as a health conditions that affect and alter cognitive functioning, emotional responses, and behavior associated with distress and or impaired functioning. Common disorders are anxiety, stress, depression, suicide attempt, bullying, aggression, conduct problems, body image, and problem behavior in eating, peer relationship issues. Health triangle is interrelated the mental health with physical health and physical health with social health and social health with physical and mental health with social and physical health. Intervention of mental health, hope and helpline care lives, prevention of mental health, physical health and social health is building community, and resilience, building resilience, discovering passions. Adolescent mental health. Why? Mental health is an essential aspect of overall health. Mental health problem can have long-term consequences. Mental health problems can impact academic performance. Mental health problems can lead to social isolation. mental health problem can impact the family. Early intervention is key in addressing mental health issues in adolescence, as untreated problem can persist into adulthood. Adolescent mental health, how? Factors that can impact mental health in adolescence include family dynamics, peer relationship, academic stress, and exposure to trauma. It is important to take a holistic approach to mental health, which include addressing physical health, social support, and access to appropriate mental health services. Promoting mental health in adolescence can involve strategies such as providing safe and supportive environment, promoting positive relationship, and teaching coping skills. It is also important to reduce the stigma around mental health issues and provide resources for young people to seek help when needed. By prioritizing mental health in adolescence, we can support young people's well-being and set the foundations for a healthy and fulfilling life. Anxiety in adolescence. Anxiety is very common in the pre-teen and teenagers years. Anxiety is the common mental illness in adolescence and adulthood. This is because adolescence is a time of emotional, physical, and social change, which is happening at the same time as teenage brains are changing. Adolescence is called the brain storming age. Anxiety is an emotional state with physiological, somatic, and behavioral components characterized by apprehension and anticipation of future worry. It can also interfere with the ability to focus and learn, causing school problems that can have a lifelong impact. The anxiety that caused in at the adolescence period is one factor that affect the anxiety are body image issue disorder. The adolescent think that my body image is how and what you think and feel about your body. Body image is of two types. Positive body image is when you are happy and satisfied with your body. Negative body image is when you're unhappy and dissatisfied with your body. Reason for negative body image: teasing and negative comment by peers group or parents or other social members, being bullied at school or colleges, not having an ideal body, perfectionist attitude, low self-esteem or self-confidence. Sign of poor body images are avoiding social situations, obsessed with counting calories, seeking validation, obsessed with gymming, and negative comment on their own body. Second cause of the anxiety is bullying issue in adolescence. Bullying is an aggressive behavior intended to show power and authority over others. It can be physical, verbal, or non-verbal. Peer charges as ugly, freak, losers, etc. Reason of child being bullying or adolescent being bullying, that being victim of bullying, being abused, neglect and lack of love. Adolescents have low self-esteem or self-confidence. Adolescents have exposure to violence through media and TV and involved in group of bullies. Sign of child being bullying is being very irritable in its behavior and its language, try to escape school frequently, decline in academic, have no interest in their study performance, so decline in their academic performance, unreasonable demands, second when mobile rings, and throwing temper tantrum. Third factor for anxiety is problematic internet use. People born since the year 2000 have received the name of the Z generation. The post-millennial or centennial generation, and one of the elements that has clearly differentiated them from other generation is the massive use of internet on mobile phone. This higher exposure increases the chances that many of the classic psychosocial problems such as abuse, violence, addiction, social withdrawal, cyberbullying, pornography, internet predators are evolved. Mental health impact on adolescents of problematic internet use are anxiety, depression, self-low esteem because they have no time for ourselves, and loneliness because they engage in the mobile, so they are not involved in the social activities. Physical impact, health impact in adolescents are excessive daytime sleepiness and they feel lethargy 24 hours. Next factors are issues with sleep pattern cause anxiety. Adolescents often face issues with their sleeping patterns, which can have significant consequences on the overall well-being. According to recent studies, around 70% of adolescents do not get enough sleep, and this can lead to various problems such as mood swing, poor academic performance, and even the depression. Causes of sleep patterns are changes in the circadian rhythms during puberty, can make it difficult for teenagers to fall asleep at night and wake up in the morning. Circadian rhythms or circadian cycle is a natural internal processes that regulate the sleep-wake cycle and repeat roughly every 24 hours. It can refer to any process that originate within an organism and respond to the environment. The increased use of technology before bedtime can also disrupt sleep patterns. The blue light emitted by the electronic devices can suppress the production of melatonin, which is the hormone that regulates sleep-wake cycle. Consequences of poor sleep in adolescence cause fatigue, drowsiness, and result of poor academic performance. They feel depressions and anxiety. It can also lead to behavioral problems including irritability and aggression. Issue with relationship. Social media can also lead to increased pressure to present a perfect image online, causing adolescents to feel inadequate or left out if they do not receive enough likes or followers. Adolescents may feel pressured to conform to certain behavior or attitude in order to fit in with their peer group, even if these behaviors go against their personal values or belief. This can lead to strained relationship and feeling of isolation or loneliness. Adolescents who come from home with high conflict or instability may struggle to form healthy relationships with their peers, as they may not have a model for healthy communication or conflict resolutions. Additionally, adolescents who experience neglect or abuse at home may struggle with trust issues in their relationship. Romantic relationship can have significant impact on adolescent development, influencing their self-esteem, identity formation, and future relationship pattern. Unhealthy relationship can lead to negative outcomes such as depression, anxiety, and low self-esteem. Sexting, online grooming, and exposure to inappropriate content are just a few of the potential dangers that adolescents may face when using technology to connect with others. Depression is a sign of depression in adolescents are often viewed as normal mood swing of particular developmental stage. Causes or factor of depressions are, in some cases, the trigger can be loss of loved ones or financial problems in the family, etc. Children who have extremely low self-esteem and an overall negative outlook are generally at a higher risk of becoming depressed. Serious and prolonged medical conditions may lead to depression. Depressions may make health worse as they negatively affect immunity. The sign of anxiety is high, rapid heart rate, shortness of breath, diarrhea, loss of appetite, fainting, dizziness, sweating, frequent urination. As seen in the figure, as adolescents think, I am away from home, somewhere I am unfamiliar, and he or she is shaking her arm and bodies and heart being palpitation, and he think about I feel like something bad is going to happen. That is the FSG sign of the anxiety. Role of stakeholder toward the adolescence. Role of parents. Parent-child relationship can be complex. If the child is experiencing emotional and behavioral difficulties, managing for parents may be difficult at times. A parent must take care and be patient. Regularly spend quality time with the child and consult counselor and other mental health professionals about possible interventions. Role of peers of the adolescents. Having friends and feeling connectedness to a group gives teenagers a sense of belonging and being valued, which help them develop confidence. Friendship also helps teenagers learn important social and emotional skills like being sensitive to others people's thoughts, feelings, and well-beings. Positive peer influence can have a lot of benefits. Teens are more likely to make positive choices for themselves when they see classmates doing things like participating in sports and club and speaking up against bullying or gossip, classmates doing things like helping others, and peer influence can have more subtle effect too. If your child's friends enjoy school and show interest in keeping their grades up, your child may start making a similar effort. In role of stakeholder, we discuss the role of teacher toward the adolescents. Maintaining record of all students under their supervision and support. The teacher creating a detailed individualized education plan, behavior management plan tailor-made for students under their supervision. Teacher keeping in touch with the student and parents, informing and discussing latest progress and development. Teacher working as a team with the mainstream teachers. Teacher suggesting structural and pedagogical changes required for children with different abilities. As given in the footnotes, teacher daily affirmation toward the I plan my time effectively, my student deserve the best, my classroom is a place for learning and love, it is okay if I can't do it all, my kids are amazing, I radiate positivity, my classroom is filled with love, peace and joy, the work I do matters, I let go of things I cannot continue, I handle my school day with ease, I am an amazing teacher, I am doing my best, the work I do matters, all of my students are capable of succeeding. That is the thoughts of the teacher's daily affirmative. Role of teacher affirmation as seen in the, that is first is my job matters toward the students. If it is to be, it is up to me. My student deserve my best. I make a difference one student at a time. I believe in each of my students. I believe education as a pathway to freedom. I am open to learning. I trust myself to make the best decision for my class. I love what I do. Role of resource teacher. Role of resource teacher is assist the class teacher and provide additional support for children with moderate learning difficulties. Building rapport, the teacher must allow the student to be comfortable around him, her. Verbal by giving positive feedback and non-verbal by gesture like consistent eye contact. Reassurance work best. Encouraged unmasked expressions of emotions, having an open conversations in which the child can vent out and paraphrasing the content shared helps children to assimilate better. Non-judgmental listening and feedback by showing empathy and compassion toward students. Ensure complete confidentiality going by the dictum. Whatever you say to me will stay with me unless you are in danger or you may put others in danger. Source teacher helping a student. The focus is to provide a safe, secure and nurturing climate in which the adolescents can develop healthy coping skills. The adolescents identify the problem. The teacher listen to the adolescent problem. Teacher identify the problem of adolescents. Teacher create goal to facilitate possible change. Teacher brainstorm alternative together and motivate the child or adolescent to show positive change. There is a stakeholder, the counselor, their role to counsel the adolescents for mental health well-being. There is growing importance of school counselor as an important part of the educational leadership team as they provide valuable assistance to teacher. Counseling help students in the following ways: change maladaptive and unhealthy behavioral manifestation to adaptive and healthy ones. Counselor build time management and organizational skills. Counselor establishing clear academic goals. Counselor resolving interpersonal problems and fostering positive group behavior. They help in conflict resolutions and enhancing the self-esteem of adolescents. Counselor working through personal problem which cause emotional distress. Role of counselor with other stakeholders as parents. They educate the parent education and with networking, communicating with parents. They help in academic planning with the parents and they help in career awareness program with parents for the adolescents. The role of counselor with the teacher is to guide teacher in classroom guidance activities and academic support including learning style, assessment and education to help students succeed academically. And Role of counselor with the teacher is at-risk student identification and implementation of intervention to enhance academic success of the adolescents. Role of counselor with the special teacher, the collaborating with educators to the devise a complete education program. They coordinate for planning effective remediation based on individualized education plan of the children. They coordinate with the occupational therapist to understand need of the student and facilitating integration. The role of counselor with administrator of the school or college in behavioral management plan, in school-wide need assessment, student data and result, and bus behavior policy and anti-bullying policy. Multi-stakeholder collaboration to improve student well-being and learning, a parent, teacher, counselor, student collaboration. Teacher engagement for student well-being, counselor engagement for student well-being, counselor engagement with the parents, administration and teacher for the student well-being, parental engagement for the student well-being, that is the collaboration of the stakeholders for student well-being. Resources for the adolescents. The mental health rehabilitation helpline Kiran can be called from landline and mobile phones across the country at the number 1800-599-0019. The ministry announced. In a statement, the ministry said the helpline had been launched in view of the growing incidence of mental illness, particularly in the wake of coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic. Government organization and resources for the school mental health program for students and teachers. Our health sector is PSC medical officer, pediatricians and gynecologist. Mental health sector is psychiatrist, psychologist and social worker. Safety and welfare sector is DCPO, CWC, JJB and disability welfare officers. Legal and law enforcement is legal, association and police, and sports, arts and culture is sports and youth ministry and cultural ministry. The non-government organization and private sectors for parents and local administrations are health sectors, PSC medical officers, pediatricians and gynecologists. Mental health sectors means psychiatrists, psychologists and social workers. Safety and welfare sectors may NGO for child safety care, NGOs for children with disability. Legal and law enforcement, private law organization, legal aid NGO. Sport, arts and cultures in organization, NGO and clubs. Conclusion. Adolescent mental health is a critical issue with significant consequences for both the individual and society. Mental health problems during adolescence, if left unaddressed, can lead to long-term negative impact on physical and mental well-being and can limit opportunities in adulthood. Early interventions, support and access to quality mental health care are crucial for fostering healthy transition into adulthood. Mental health is a leading cause of illness and disability. Globally, 1 in 7 adolescents experience a mental disorder, making it a significant burden on the health of this age group. Conditions like depression, anxiety, and behavioral disorders are major contributors to illness and disability in adolescence. Consequences extend to adulthood as unaddressed mental health conditions during adolescence can have lasting effect on both physical and mental health adulthood. They can also limit opportunities for individuals to lead fulfilling and productive lives. Importance of early intervention and support of mental health. Ensuring adolescents have access to mental health support and services is vital for their well-being. Early identification and intervention can help minimize the negative impact of mental health challenges. The role of environment and social factors for mental health of adolescents. The environment in which adolescents grow up, including home, school, and social setting, significantly impact their mental health. Negative experiences like bullying, violence, or exposure to parental mental illness can increase the risk of mental health problems. Addressing stigma and improving access to care. Reducing the stigma surrounding mental illness is crucial for encouraging adolescents to seek help. Improving access to affordable, culturally competent and timely mental health care is essential for supporting adolescents' mental health. Promoting positive mental health. Focusing on promoting positive mental health, such as building resilience and coping skills, can help prevent some mental health problems. Encouraging healthy habits like exercise, good sleep, and a balanced diet can also contribute to overall mental well-being. Final tips and takeaways. Help children practice methods like yoga and life skill regularly to promote their well-being. It can also equip them to manage stress effectively. Provisions for experiential and activity-based learning on important aspect domain of prioritized preventions activities to protect children from developing unhealthy coping mechanism to manage stressful life situation. Have a provision for identifying behavior, substance use and self-harm, depression and developmental concern. Provide first aid and make appropriate referral. Adolescent students driven health magazine wall. Activity to improve the social and emotional climate in school. Thank you.